Hello students. Day 3, lesson number 6, WH family. Today we are going to learn about the WH family and its usages in conversation as well as reading and writing. Let's begin. What is actually the WH family? Those questions that start with the letter W and H all comes under the WH family. The words such as what, which, where, when, who, how, whose all are the WH family questions. WH family question से हमें जानकारी प्राप्त होती है. We get important information in writing and in oral manner. The WH question always gives you the information. It is never been answered in yes or no format. हमें जब भी WH questions इस्तेमाल करते हैं तब हमें स्पेसिफाइड आंसर मिलती है. yes और no फॉर्मेट में कभी भी हमें आंसर नहीं मिलती. जैसे कि What is your name? अभी इस सवाल का उत्तर हम yes और no फॉर्मेट में बिल्कुल नहीं दे सकते. We need to give a particular specified answer. That is, my name is Ram. Next example. Where do you live? इसमें भी you need to give a specified answer. I live in Mumbai. This is what about WH question is. You always get the information in a specified manner. Let's see it in detail. There are various forms of WH questions. The very first form that we are going to learn today is the word when. When WH question is used, when you want to know something about time. हम WH question when का इस्तेमाल तब करते हैं जब हम किसी समय के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करनी हो. For example, when is the meeting? Meeting कब है? वैसे ही the other form of WH question is where, which refers to the place. जब हमें किसी प्लेस के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी हो तब हम where ये WH क्वेश्चन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, where is my book? The third form of WH question is who. When you want to ask something about person, we use the WH question who. For example, who is your favorite actress? जब हमें किसी व्यक्ति के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करनी हो तब हम who ये WH क्वेश्चन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Next, WH question is why, which gives you information regarding the reason. The why is used mainly to obtain information regarding a particular situation and also the reason behind it. Say example, why is the train late? ट्रेन लेट क्यों हो रही है? Next WH question is what. What indicates information about some object, idea or action. What ये WH question हमें किसी ऑब्जेक्ट, किसी आइडिया या फिर किसी एक्शन के बारे में जानकारी देती है. जैसे कि What is the name of that girl? On what day is the function? इससे हमें क्लियर कट इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है. The next WH question is which. Which is the WH question which refers to the things. जब हमें किसी वस्तु के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करनी हो तब हम WH क्वेश्चन which का प्रयोग करते हैं. For example, which is your umbrella? Or which is your car? When you want to acquire information about something which is non-living in nature, you place the WH question which. Let's see further. The next type of WH question is how. This WH question is used in many forms and mannerism. Mainly, the word how is used in order to inquire about something which forms a particular manner or method. For example, how to do this sum. This gives you the information about the manner or method about the activity. Next WH question in regards with how is how much. How much is being utilized when you are wanting information regarding something which is non-countable in nature. For example, how much money did you spend? आप कितने पैसे खर्च करते हैं? The next WH question is how many. When you want some information regarding the countable objects, we use the WH question how many. For example, how many are there in the class? This gives the exact number or count of the question being asked. Next WH question is how long. How long describes the duration. It gives you information regarding the time. ये WH क्वेश्चन हमें देरी के बारे में जानकारी देती है, समय के बारे में जानकारी देती है. जैसे कि how long it would take to reach the market. Next WH question is how far. How far ये WH क्वेश्चन हम दूरी जानने के लिए प्रयोग करते हैं. We are using this WH question in order to get information regarding the distance. For example, how far is your home from school? These are the WH questions that we are discussing in this lesson. Let's move further. While you are framing a WH question, you need to keep in mind that there are two patterns of framing the question. First is the subject pattern and second is the object pattern. Let's see first the subject pattern. For the subject pattern, you are simply replacing the person or thing being asked about with the appropriate WH word. Means, आप किसी इंसान या वस्तु को replace कर appropriate WH word को हम use करते हैं. अभी हम sentence को देखते हैं. Someone has my baseball. अभी इस sentence में someone is the subject. You want to replace the subject. और ये someone refers to person. हमने पहले देखा था when you want to get information regarding a person, you need to use the WH word who. So, the WH questions framed will be who has my baseball? Next, something is bothering you. Now here, the subject, that is something, refers to certain kind of thing. So, जब हमें किसी वस्तु के बारे में जानकारी लेनी हो तब हम what ये शब्द का प्रयोग करते हैं. किसी आइडिया, किसी एक्शन के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी हो then you will use the word what. So the question stands, what is bothering you? सब्जेक्ट पैटर्न में हमें सिर्फ यही एक बात याद रखनी है कि हमें सेंटेंस में से सब्जेक्ट को अलग करना है और वो सब्जेक्ट को रिप्लेस करके WH क्वेश्चन उसमें ऐड करनी है. The next type of pattern is the object pattern. Now in the object pattern, we use the auxiliary verb in the original sentence. Auxiliary verb का मतलब है helping verb अथवा सहायक क्रिया. In English, the helping verbs are do, be and have. ये तीनों helping verbs बोला जाता है या auxiliary verbs. ये तीन words को हम question frame करने में मदद करती है. Example देखते. The very first example is he lives in New York. Now in this sentence, you can see that this is in the present tense and it is referring to the second person, that is he. I is the first person, he or she is the second person. So here he is the second person and lives in New York. This states that it is in present tense. So you will use the auxiliary verb does. उस हिसाब से while you are framing the question, you will get the question as where does he live? Similarly, next one, I live in Boston. Now here I is the first person. This is also in the present format. So automatically the auxiliary verb here would be do. And your question stands, where do you live? Auxiliary verb usage depends upon the tense of the sentence. The object pattern is also very much easy when you know to use the auxiliary verb in the sentence. This was all about the WH question and its usages. Hope all of you understood. Further, after the spoken tutorial, you are expected to complete the assignment and thereafter the test. Thank you.